Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. Guys, you're going to the beach. You're going to go hang out around the pool. You're just going to lay out in the backyard. Whatever, you're actually going to do outside, you need a really good beach towel. What's the problem with most regular beach towels? Most regular beach towels made of cotton, they not only absorb water really quickly and they don't shed it off. It becomes a mess. You have to hang it out to dry to be able to use it again. But they also collect all the sand and dirt and it gets stuck in it. And generally it's just not much fun to lay on those towels after they've been out a little while. Well, what is the solution? The solution is to get yourself a microfiber type towel like this. It's thinner, lighter weight, and it absorbs way more water than a traditional beach towel. This one is very long. I mean, you can see just how long this thing is. It has a very nice design. It's very soft and smooth to the touch. And the way this is made, sand and dirt is just going to fall away. So this is made by a company called Elite Trend, and they specialize in these type of towels, which makes it extremely nice going to a beach. Now, they not only give you the towel, they give you a really awesome little carrying case. And this thing is vented, so any water that's in it, it's going to be able to evaporate away and not stay locked inside of this. It also has a handy little wrist strap, so you can put it on your wrist. Let me show you here, just like this, and you can carry it. Because if you ever go to a beach, you're going out to a picnic, you're going to a pool, and you're having to take these towels and kind of wrap them around you, put them on your shoulder. You're fighting every time you bend over. They're trying to fall off. This, you can fold it up nice and tight, put it inside of the bag. And by the way, guys, the bag zipper is really nice. Works very good every time. And that's one of the things you got to look for in a bag like this is the zipper any good? Because when that zipper goes out, the bag is worthless. So you want one that's made heavy duty and going to last a long time. So overall, guys, a great little beach towel system that, by the way, you don't have to just go to the beach to use it. You could use this all over the place. Even if you want to take your kids out in the front yard and just let them stay out in the sun for a little while, this works perfect for that. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because it's everything they said and so much more when I actually got it in my hands. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we'll see you guys on the next review.